Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm here with David. We are very happy you are here today because our topic is something that almost every English beginner struggles with: how to practice daily English speaking. Many beginners feel nervous, shy, or confused when trying to speak, even if they know some English words.
Hello, dear learners. I'm David, and Emma is right. I meet so many learners who say, I know some English grammar and vocabulary, but I cannot speak English. Some even panic when speaking because their mind goes blank. Today, we will discuss how to overcome these struggles and practice English every day in a simple, practical, and fun way.
Exactly. Many learners make the same mistakes. For example, they spend hours memorizing long vocabulary lists or grammar rules, but they never practice speaking those words in sentences. As a result, they feel nervous and stuck when they need to communicate.
Yes, that is a very common problem. Another mistake is speaking very slowly and hesitating too much. They think, I need to be perfect, so they stop themselves from speaking at all.
And that is exactly what we want to change today. Speaking English does not have to be perfect. Even simple sentences are enough if you practice them every day. The key is consistency, confidence, and correct practice.
Let's start with something very simple. Greetings. Beginners often struggle with greetings because they feel shy. But greetings are the first step in every conversation.
For example, simple greetings include, Hello, how are you? Hi, good morning. It's nice to meet you.
Let's practice a small dialogue. Emma, I'll start. Hello, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. I just finished my work, and now I'm practicing English.
That's wonderful. I also practiced speaking this morning.
See, learners? This is a very short and simple conversation, but it already gives you practice in speaking naturally.
Now, let's talk about daily routines. Many beginners struggle to talk about their day because they do not know simple sentence structures. But if you learn a few patterns, you can speak about your daily life easily.
For example, you can use present tense sentences. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9.
Yes, and you can expand it with details. I wake up at 7 in the morning, and I drink a cup of coffee before starting my day. I eat breakfast at 8, and I usually have bread and eggs.
Let's practice a short dialogue about daily routines. Emma, what do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, and drink a cup of tea. After that, I review English words or listen to a podcast.
That sounds productive. I wake up at 7, check my emails, and prepare teaching materials. Then I sometimes watch a short English video.
See, learners? By using simple sentences about your daily life, you are practicing present tense, vocabulary, and speaking fluency at the same time.
Now let's move to past tense, which is often difficult for beginners. Many learners forget to change the verb form when talking about something that already happened.
For example, beginners often say, "Yesterday I go to the market."
The correct sentence is, "Yesterday I went to the market." Notice the verb changes.
Let's do a short role play. David, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I woke up early, drank coffee, and read an English book. In the afternoon, I went for a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. Yesterday, I studied some vocabulary and practiced speaking sentences. In the evening, I watched an English video.
Notice the past tense verbs: woke, drank, read, went, studied, watched. These small verbs are very useful for beginners.
Now let's practice future tense, which beginners often forget when talking about plans. A simple way is using will.
For example, I will study English tomorrow. I will go to the store later. I will practice speaking with a friend tonight.
Let's do a conversation about future plans. David, what will you do this weekend?
I will relax, practice speaking English, and maybe watch a new English movie.
That's great. I will review vocabulary and practice conversations with some role-play exercises.
Role plays are very helpful. Let's practice a shopping situation now.
Excuse me, I am looking for a black bag. Do you have one?
Yes, we have several options. This bag is small but very strong and comfortable to carry.
Great. How much does it cost?
It costs $40, but today we have a discount.
Perfect. I will take it.
See, learners, even a short conversation like this uses polite sentences, present tense, and useful vocabulary.
Another common beginner struggle is fear of mistakes. Many beginners stop speaking because they feel embarrassed.
Yes, but making mistakes is normal. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn.
For example, beginners often say, "I know, understand."
The correct sentence is, I do not understand. Small corrections like this will improve your confidence.
Now let's practice describing your day in simple sentences as a daily exercise.
Repeat after me. I wake up early and practice English every morning. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock and drink coffee. In the evening, I review vocabulary and listen to English conversations.
Great! Now try, "I studied English yesterday and practiced speaking for 30 minutes." I will practice speaking tomorrow to improve my fluency.
Notice how these three sentences use present, past, and future tense in simple conversation.
Another useful daily exercise is talking about objects around you.
For example, look around your room. You can say, "This table is big and clean." "The chair is comfortable and blue." The bag is small but very strong.
By speaking about things you see, you are practicing vocabulary, adjectives, and sentence structure at the same time.
Let's practice a role play at home. Emma, describe your living room.
My living room is small but cozy. There is a sofa near the window and a wooden table in the middle. The walls are white and the floor is clean.
That's excellent. Now describe your bedroom.
My bedroom is quiet and bright. I have a small desk for studying and a comfortable bed for sleeping. There is also a lamp near the desk.
See? Learners, these are simple sentences, but they are very useful in real-life communication.
Another way to practice speaking daily is using stories. Even simple stories help your brain remember vocabulary and grammar.
For example, you can say, "Yesterday I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee and a sandwich. The cafe was quiet and beautiful. I sat near the window and read a book."
Stories like this naturally practice past tense, adjectives, and vocabulary.
Dear learners, the most important thing is consistency. 10 minutes every day is much more effective than 1 hour once a week.
Yes, and always speak aloud. Speaking in your mind does not help as much.
Also, beginners often worry about their accent. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on clear pronunciation, not perfection.
Listen to English every day. Repeat sentences. Record yourself and compare with native speakers.
Finally, always review your mistakes. If you said, "He go to work yesterday," correct it to, "He went to work yesterday."
Remember, learners, daily speaking practice helps you overcome fear, improve fluency, and build confidence.
Even if you start with simple sentences, your English will grow naturally over time.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never stop trying.
We will see you in the next episode of our English Learning Podcast. Until then, take care and keep speaking English every single day.